Brian with Grand Roofing, bringing you another quick episode of Worst Roof Ever Shed Edition. What's a roofer see? Well, in Kokomo, only in Kokomo. I hope it's not only in, well, I hope it's only in Kokomo. I hope it doesn't happen elsewhere, but we're going to talk briefly about nail placement on this repair I was getting into to do. It's nasty weather out today. I figured I'd take advantage of a couple small quick hitter repairs. Never was up here. I just looked on the inside, saw there's bad wood, saw this damage here. Get up here today and on a ladder, and now I'm like, oh shit, this isn't good. So we're going to talk about, nail on the knee. Nails, where they're supposed to be, where they're not supposed to be, and then this transition right here, that's, wow, just don't get it. So, flat barns apart, there's no nail, there's no nails. Split these apart, there's no nails, I can't make it up. Look, that one's sealed down, let's just pop this free right here real quick. And look, no nail. So if you look here, this nail is way high. Should be down here. Same here, no nail, up high. Everything was roofed that way. That's one thing that's not good. You want to make sure your nails are in the right spot. And this transition, oh my God, look at this. They literally ran this row across, cut the shingle so it would flop down, and then started another row right at it. So nowhere is there a solid shingle coming across this. I mean, that just blows my mind. They're totally relying on water to run off and drip off on here. So I got in a little more than I was planning on. I figured this would be a quick, like 15, 20 shingle, pop out a piece of wood, put it back in, but it's going to be a little bit more. I told them I'd fix that. Just throw a row in. It's going to be interesting because the way I got to do it, it's not going to look like new, but hey, I didn't roof it. So, worst roof ever. Typically, not always. If you go with the cheapest price, you might end up with bad quality, worst roof ever. Might be coming to your roof next. Just shop around. Nothing wrong with being price conscious, but typically you pay for what you get, and if you use the cheap guys, they're going to end up with some bad stuff. I saw a roof video this morning by a guy, oh boy, what's his name? I can't remember, sorry. He had a roof he quoted, he lost the job, he ended up going back, get called back a couple years later to do repair, and I'm like, my God, the stuff I saw, it happens. I guess it's not only in Kokomo, but anyway. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. This is totally free for you to do. It'd greatly help support the channel here. The more retention time and engagement we get, YouTube sees that and pushes it to other people looking for this video. Because unfortunately, there's a lot of people that stay at a Holiday Inn Express, and then the next thing you know, they're roofing your roof because they're a pro roofer. You don't want that. Do your due diligence. Look into contractors. Do your best to try to look them up and study if they've screwed other people over or not. Because it does happen. Money changes people. Anyway, yeah, I got to get busy. The rain is moving in today. I got a lot to do. So, until next time, be safe. We'll see you then.